What do we have here? Look at this cute little sewing machine. It's a Singer Model 40. In this video I will tell you something about this toy sewing machine. Not a full tutorial, but things you should and want to know. Before the 40 there was another toy. Around 1910 Singer introduced this Singer 20. And in this picture the later 1950s Singer 2010 sewhandy. 1958 or so, up to the early 1960s, was the era of the Singer 40. The exact year is unknown to me. The Singer 40 was produced in the UK only, so you can call it a 40K, with a kill for kill Bowie. Or call it the sewhandy if you want to. The Singer 40K is a hand-cranked machine, and the Singer 50 is the motorized version. Both of them have an aluminium cast body, and the Singer 40K needs the 24x3 needle. Unfortunately, the 24x3 needles are almost impossible to get. However, the 24x1 needle, which you can still buy, has the same dimensions, but with a flat shank on the other side. So you can use the 24x1 needles, but turn it 180 degrees. Insert the 24x1 needles with the flat shank facing right, and the long groove should be on the left side. If you have an original 24x3 needle, the flat shank sits left, on the same side as the long groove in the needle. The Singer 40K sewhandy is a change stitch machine, so you don't need a bobbin underneath the bed. All you need is to thread the machine. Before threading, lower the presser foot and raise the needle in its highest position. The spool carrying the thread sits on top of the machine. Is your spool pin missing? A Lego Technic rod can do the trick, or order a replacement pin online. Pull it through the right hole of the tension bracket. Around underneath the tension discs, let the thread sit between the tension discs. Left through this hole and then through the arm, right to left. Finally through the needle, left to right. Now the thread has to be pulled through the center of the foot. It looks like you're ready to sew. Hold the thread and have a little bit of tension on the thread when you start sewing. One more note, never turn the hand wheel when the presser foot is down and you don't have any material underneath the presser foot. Perhaps something you will forget, but you can or need to oil the 40K like any other vintage Singer sewing machine. Use sewing machine oil, just a little bit, and do not use WD-40. Give a drop of oil on the presser bar and the needle bar. Also look underneath the bed. Everything metal that hinges or moves, it all can use a drop of oil. There are 7 oiling points underneath the machine. If you unscrew these 2 bolts on the rear, you can access the internal parts to oil them, but you don't need to do that. But whatever you do, never oil the belt in the vertical arm. While the Singer 20 was a miniature sewing machine, the Singer 40 is strictly a toy only. And the change stitch is perhaps adequate for kids. Like the Singer 20, the Singer 40 does not have a serial number, so it's hard to date the machine. There is nothing fancy on this machine. You cannot adjust its stitch length or whatever. And there's no light. it just came in a box with a manual and a seam guide. Well, mine is missing the seam guide. Well, I think I've covered almost everything. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.